Is the UB Pro from SUPCASE going to be worth it for the new Z Flip 8? Let's find out. Starting off on the back and at the top, you do have a nice screen protector piece that goes right over that screen area. So you have full coverage there. And of course, that piece does hang over those lenses as well. You can see the bezeling kind of hanging over there. So if you were to drop your phone camera lens side down, it'll actually hit those popped out corners first. In the middle of the phone, you have a full hinge protection piece, which does fold in and out nicely with the phone itself. On the bottom, you have that flip out kickstand. So you can just pop that right out and lock it in. You've got your vertical viewing. You can also get your horizontal viewing. And once you're done, you just snap it right back in and you're good to go. All corners of the case are also reinforced with extra bumpers, so gonna be great for shock absorption, especially if you drop your phone on the sides, right in the corners, or even when it's closed and you drop it right down near the charging hole right here. And on each side of the case, you have this more grippy texture, which is nice to hold, especially when you're gonna be on the phone. Just allows you to have a lot more grip when you're using the case and you're on the phone as well. And of course, the UB Pro wouldn't be complete without the included phone clip holder. You just fold your phone, put it right in there, snap it in. The actual belt clip does rotate 360, so if you want to get, a bunch of different angles, clip it on to different things, you can. Overall though, would definitely recommend the UB Pro for the new Z Flip 8. It's been a great case over the years for a bunch of different models that I've reviewed, and all the features just come together to make this a great case, not only for protection, but it's also super convenient too, so I would definitely recommend it.